L7 Earn Zone Farm and Syrup Pool tutorial video. This video demonstration is performed on TP Wallet. To begin, access the official L7 website. The DApp screen will automatically redirect to the farm page in the Earn area. Various types of farm products are available for selection. We'll start by demonstrating how to purchase and operate a basic farm. Click on Start Earning to initiate the process. The basic farm utilizes a combination of USDT and LSD. Enter the quantity of USDT you wish to purchase and add. The equivalent LSD amount will be automatically generated. Users have the option to adjust the ratio of LSD types they wish to utilize. They can choose between the LSD stored in their wallet on-chain LSD or the LSD within the DApp. After inputting the details, click Approve USDT. Click Transfer, proceed to the next step. Enter the wallet password to confirm the payment. The second step involves authorizing LSD. Click Approve LSD, Transfer, and enter the wallet password. The third step confirms the transaction. After clicking Confirm, click Transfer to continue confirming the payment. Enter the wallet password. Earn coins successfully. This completes the purchase and addition of farm products. Once coin earning is completed, clicking on My Holdings will provide detailed information. To withdraw farm earnings, from the top menu, navigate to Assets. Select the currency you want to withdraw and click Claim. In the operation window, enter the quantity you wish to withdraw and click Claim. Detailed gas fees and transaction fee prompts will appear here. Return to your wallet assets at this point and wait for the block processing to complete the transaction. Syrup Pool tutorial video. Find the syrup pool in the upper menu of the earning area. Users can find the currency they want to earn in the product list for direct betting. Now demonstrate how to stake LSD to earn LSD. Different staking term will correspond to different yield rates. Just select the term you want to stake for. Enter quantity and stake. Confirm transfer. Enter the wallet password. Wait for block processing to complete. You can refresh the page again. You will see the new coin details appear in my portfolio. You can redemption your expired coin here. Just click Redemption. The redeemed assets will be returned directly to your wallet. Gas fees on the blockchain will be deducted, and you can refer to the announcement for information on the fees for each currency.